Did you know a simple kettlebell workout could be the secret to both better sleep and a healthier heart? Science reveals surprising benefits of this ancient Russian training tool. Recent health trends show kettlebell training isn't just about building strength. Studies demonstrate that short, intense kettlebell sessions significantly increase VO2 max, a key indicator of cardiovascular fitness. Athletes performing just 20-minute kettlebell workouts 3 times weekly saw their endurance improve by up to 13.5%. The dynamic movements enhance speed and agility, while the high-intensity nature of the exercise triggers a substantial release of endorphins. These natural mood enhancers contribute to improved sleep quality, addressing common sleep disturbances. Research indicates participants experienced a 15% improvement in sleep patterns after incorporating regular kettlebell training into their routines. The combination of cardiovascular demands and full-body engagement creates the perfect storm for both heart health and natural sleep regulation. Want to transform your health with kettlebells? Drop a comment sharing your biggest sleep or fitness challenge.